Hola chicos, bienvenidos una vez más al canal. Hoy ando súper emocionada porque por fin me atreví a pedirle a un profesor que me corrija mi pronunciación en inglés. Y espero que con este video ustedes puedan aprender también o que por lo menos se rían un poquito de mí porque creo que estoy a punto de pasar un poquito de vergüenza. Pero bueno, estamos en familia, así que no se olviden de darle like al video para que pueda llegar a muchas más personas como tú y también suscribirte al canal para que no te pierdas ninguno de mis videos nuevos. Ok, y qué mejor manera de hacer este video que con uno de mis tutores de Cambly. Su nombre es Glenn Hub y él es el que nos va a ayudar hoy a pronunciar mucho mejor estas 5 palabras que yo le traigo, que a mí me cuestan demasiado en el día a día y que espero que a partir de hoy mejoren. Hoy estoy súper agradecida con Cambly por patrocinar este video.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thank you.
That's great. What's your name?
I'm Solvi and I'm from Venezuela, but I live in London now.
Hi, Solvi. I'm Glenn, and I live in Australia. I have a checkered shirt that's very similar to that.
Oh, wow, yeah. You should have wore that.
Yeah.
Didn't you get the email?
Maybe for your next video, I'll help you. I'll wear that one.
Okay. So, well, today I wanted you to help me pronounce better some words that are still very difficult for me. And
Yeah, sure.
Hopefully, I'm going to get them right after today.
Hopefully you pronounce them well enough that I know which one you're talking about, so I can
Exactly.
give you the right option.
Exactly. That's a very good point. There are some things that, make people laugh when I say them. For example, whenever I have to say something that's got an SH or a CH sound in the beginning, when I say cheese, so the difference between sheet, like bed sheets, and cheese, for me, there's no difference, but I understand that it should be.
Yeah, you know that with bed sheet, obviously that starts with SH, the sh. As you said, it's different from the ch sound that you have with the other one. But also the ending ends with the t sound, sheet. It's more of just like a pushing that sound out at the end. Yeah, one a native speaker doesn't really think about. So
okay, so let me try. Cheat. No.
It sounds like you're saying cheat, like he cheated on the test. Or something
Okay.
like that. So try to maybe the shape of my mouth might give it away a little bit. Shh.
Okay. Sheet.
Try that. Yeah, that's better. Yeah. I guess it's a little bit longer than the ch sound. Ch goes into it more quickly, and shh, you sort of can maybe stay with for a bit longer before moving into the E sound. Sheet. Good. That's not too bad.
Okay. From 0 to 10, how much do you give me on that one?
I'll give you a 7 on that one.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
You've been too nice. Okay. You know where they make beer? It's called...
Oh, okay. Yeah, some words are hard even for...
Oh. Okay. So, this is how I say it. Brewery.
I would just say brewery.
Oh, okay. Brewery.
Yeah, if you can say brewery, I would just try to eliminate that second, that last E sound.
Okay.
Brewery.
So, brewery.
Yeah, that's good.
It's good? 8 or 9?
I'll give you 8.5.
Okay. Antes de continuar con las siguientes palabras, quiero decirles algo demasiado importante y es que Cambly está sorteando 5 planes anuales completamente gratuitos. Es un año de inglés gratis, 2 veces a la semana, clases de 30 minutos. Para participar, lo único que tienes que hacer es ir al link en la descripción de este video y colocar tus datos de correo electrónico y listo, ya estás participando. El sorteo se va a hacer el 25 de mayo, así que pendiente, no falta nada. Coloquen sus datos allí y están participando por un año completo de inglés gratis con Cambly. Y si aún no conoces Cambly y prefieres entrar a la plataforma primero y hacer una clase completamente gratuita, te voy a regalar un código nuevo que es Solvi Hernández 1 Year, que puedes utilizar para entrar, tener tu clase completamente gratis y experimentar cómo funciona Cambly. Es súper fácil, súper sencillo como lo ven. Es una conversación directamente con un tutor nativo que te va a ayudar muchísimo a mejorar tu inglés. Strength. How can I correctly pronounce that? But when it's strengthening, like I can't even say it.
Okay, yeah. Strengthening. So the sound in the middle. Strengthening. The E and G part I sound out as ing, so it's strengthening, strengthening.
Strengthening.
Yeah, but with the last ing, instead of more like like strengthening, you got to make it more sound like ing, strengthening.
Strengthening.
That's fine.
That sounds like Japanese.
Say that again. Now I want to hear the Japanese part.
I don't know. All I know is I'm saying it wrong.
No, I think that sounds okay, actually.
Okay.
Strengthening.
Okay, let me concentrate. Strengthening.
I wouldn't.
Yeah, but the problem is when I have to say it quickly. That's when it becomes a problem. Squirrel? Is that okay?
Squirrel. Yeah, squirrel. Yeah.
Squirrel.
Yeah,
like roll, like sushi roll?
Squirrel roll, sushi roll. Yeah, yeah. but instead of squirrel roll, it would be more like squirrel. Squirrel. Sort of like the R and the L almost together without anything in between.
Okay.
Yeah.
Squirrel.
That's fine.
That's fine. I
know I keep saying 7.5. I guess it's because I don't expect anyone with an accent to.
Yeah, of course.
Perfect. But yeah, it's good.
Okay. So lastly, colloquialism.
Colloquialism.
Oh. Colloquialism.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Colloquialism.
Colloquialism. Wow, that's difficult.
It's a hard one.
Yeah.
I guess most of the time the more common word is just colloquial, like
colloquial. Yeah.
A colloquial saying or custom or something.
Oh, you've been the best today. Thank you so much for helping me.
No worries.
I hope everyone can find you on Cambly because you're great.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, spread the word. And I'm happy to help you again. Yeah, have a great time in London. And yeah.
You too. Thank you. See you soon.
Thanks.
Bye.
Okay, bye, Sophie.
Bye.
Yeah.
Espero que este video te haya gustado muchísimo. Millones de gracias a mi tutor Glenn Hop, que desde Australia nos ayudó a pronunciar un poquito mejor. Recuerda darle like a este video para que pueda llegar a muchas más personas como tú y suscribirte al canal para que no te pierdas ninguno de mis videos nuevos. Será hasta la semana que viene. Les envío un abrazo enorme y recuerden que aquí tienen a una amiga siempre. ¡Mua!